They say many hands make light work, but what happens when you have 5 wives and you're still the one holding the broom? Welcome back to the Daily Drop. Today we have to talk about the irony of Uthando Nes'thembu's Season 9. We're watching Musa Mseleku, the man who built an entire empire on the foundation of traditional polygamy, literally cleaning his own house because the homestead is empty.
Just tings.
The city lights are officially winning. One by one, the Mseleku wives are migrating to the city, chasing careers and independence. Musa is visibly frustrated, saying the homestead has no wives left. It's a wild sight to see a man who advocated so hard for a full house being the last man standing in a quiet palace. It makes you wonder, did he build a home for a family or a stage for a lifestyle that his wives are outgrowing? Musa sweeping isn't just about chores, it's a symbol. It's a total role reversal. In the earlier seasons, it was all about the wives maintaining the tradition and the Nes'thembu structure. Now, in 2026, the power dynamic has shifted. The queens are in the concrete jungle, and the king is left managing the dust. He's a husband of 5, yet living the life of a bachelor in that massive homestead. Is this the natural evolution of a modern polygamous marriage, or is the foundation cracking? Musa has always wanted to be the provider and the leader, but leadership is hard when your followers have relocated to a different zip code. Can a traditional homestead actually survive when the wives decide they want the city life? I want to hear from you. Is Musa right to be upset that the homestead is empty, or should he accept that his wives are evolving? Drop a comment below. Let's get into it. I'm posting every day this week, so I'll see you in the next one.